Hey guys! Today's recipe from the state of Punjab is the simplest no onion and garlic paratha but with beetroots. Before moving ahead, let me remind you that our Durga Puja giveaway is soon going to end. So don't forget to participate by subscribing to our channel, liking our video and leaving a comment down below. In a pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and green chilies and saute till the raw smell goes away. Then add the grated beetroot and saute on medium flame for 2 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame till all the liquid evaporates. Turn off the flame and let it rest. Once it has cooled down to room temperature, transfer it into a blending jar and make a smooth puree out of it. In a large vessel, take 2 cups whole wheat flour, half teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera powder or cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and half teaspoon amchur or dry mango powder. Mix well, making sure all the spices are combined well. Pour in all of the beetroot puree and start incorporating it into the flour. We won't be adding any salt here because we have already added salt while preparing the beetroot puree. Now begin kneading the dough using lukewarm water. You can pour a tablespoon or 2 of refined oil or ghee while kneading to make the dough more pliable. The dough has to be smooth and soft. Once done, cover the dough and let it rest for half an hour. When you are ready to make the parathas, knead the dough again and pinch medium-sized balls out of the dough and smoothen them out. Lightly dust the surface with some flour and also coat the dough balls with some flour. Gently press it and start rolling them into the shape of your choice. You can roll them into round or square parathas or could simply make chapatis out of it. We went for triangular parathas. Heat up a tawa or skillet on medium heat and place the paratha and let it cook. Once you see bubbles, flip on the other side. Drizzle some ghee or oil on top. Flip again and drizzle some oil or ghee on the other side as well. Cook the paratha till they have some nice golden spots on both sides. Beetroot parathas taste delicious and appeal to the young as well as old. These parathas can be served as it is or with yogurt, a curry of your choice or with Indian pickles. Enjoy. Bye-bye.